Hola and welcome to Hibiscus Garden Resort. Located at Manalo Extension, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Super ganda ng resort na to, guys. Napaka-friendly ng mga staff. And yung mga interior and exterior nila, ang gaganda. And yung food, super sarap as in. And then when we come to Puerto Princesa, ito talaga ang unang resort na pinagstayhan namin. Especially when we bought the property in San Vicente. Yan, so as you can see, the garden is really good as well. It's really well maintained. And then meron din silang swimming pool. And I think this resort has, I think, 14 rooms or something like that. And all of their rooms are really, really nice. And super ganda talaga ng place na ito kasi as in mafe-feel mo pa rin na parang nasa nature ka kasi yung landscape is super nature vibes. And then if you can also relax in their duyan, every room has their own duyan, or you have your own duyan in every room. And super nice talaga ng kanilang interior design. Napaka-cozy ng vibes. And when you book your room, the airport transfer is free. They can pick you up at the airport and drop you off as well. And look at the room. Friendly na mga staff nila, promise.
Very pretty.
As in.
Only here in Hibiscus Garden.
Helpful. Hindi, promise. Super friendly ng staff nila. And I really like the design of the rooms. Every rooms, ganyan ang design.
So parang, ito na naman ang aking magiging kama.
And they have their own vault. You also have a Wi-Fi. You can use the swimming pool only if you're staying there. But I don't know if you're walk-in guests. I'm not sure if you're allowed to use the pool. Kasi may sign na only in-house guest is allowed to use the pool. And then when we actually stayed here, medyo maaga pa yung dating namin. So the front desk told us to just stay in the swimming pool while we were waiting for the rooms to be ready. And ayan, ang cute lang ng mga design nila. Simple but catchy. And then ayan yung restaurant nila. So that's it, guys. This is Aklan Good Official. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Paalam!